Hello. So you want to know how to add a customized menu cart pop-up window when a user clicks on Add to Cart button. It is fairly easy to do it. Let me show you how. You need to install a plugin called WooCommerce Add to Cart Pop-up. The link to this plugin is provided in the video description. So let's go and install it. So to install the plugin, go to your plugins dashboard, then click on Add New. In the search field, type for WooCommerce Add it to cart pop-up. So this is the plugin that we need to install on our website. So let's go ahead and install it. Now click on activate to activate the plugin. The plugin is installed and activated. Now go to the add to cart, or I should say add it to cart pop-up from the sidebar. So this is the page where you'll edit the settings of the pop-up menu. I usually keep them as it is and then click on save changes. Let's go and see how it is functioning on the front end. So if I click on add to cart button, it is opening up a pop-up window which has the options to increase or decrease the quantity, or even buttons to check out and view cart and to continue shopping. So this is how you add the pop-up menu to your website. Now, obviously, these buttons are customizable. You can customize it from this particular menu. You can change the button colors background from here to your theme colors. Even the text color can be changed. The size of font can be adjusted, the whole 9 yards. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel if you haven't already. Until next time, have a good one.